Today's class I am going to discuss about 4 variable K-map with don't care values. So previous video we discussed lot of problem related to K-map. 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable without don't care values. So this session I am going to solve with don't care values. Here I am taking 2 problems. So first problem y of a, comma b, comma c, comma d equal to summation m. So summation m in the sense it comes under min term. So min-term values 1, 3, 5, 8, 9, 11, 15 plus D 2, 13. So D represent don't care. Don't care values. So this don't care value either 0 or 1. So this don't care value either 0 or 1. So here the problem comes under min-term. So min-term in the sense I just assign the don't care value set to be 1. So it's a 4 variable input. I need a 16 cell. I need a 16 cell. It's a K-map structure. So after drawing the K-map structure, assign the input AB for vertical, CD for horizontal. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, then 1, 0. Assign the cell number 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. So after assigning the cell, you just place the value for the corresponding min-term. So here min-term value is 1. So first cell place 1. Then 3, 5, 8, 9, 11, 15. Then don't care value 2, 13. So don't care represent x. So x denote as a don't care. So don't care cell is 2 and 13. So now I check the grouping possibility. So in this K-map, so this 4 cell. Cell number 1, 5, 13, 9. So including this don't care value, it make 1 quad. So including don't care value, it make 1 quad. So here x represent as 1. So don't care value, let me consider. So this value goes to 1. So it make 1 quad. Then next possibility. So cell number 13, 15, 11 and 9. It make another quad. So this one is quad 1, this one is quad 2. Then cell number 1, 3, 9 and 11. So it make another quad 3. Then cell number 8 and 9, it make 1 pair. It make 1 pair. So now I write the Boolean expression for this K-map. Y of a, comma b, comma c, comma d equal to. So let me consider first quad 1. So this quad. So here the expression is c bar d. C bar d. Then come to quad 2. So here quad 2. Here the common term is a. So in this 2 vertical side, the common term is a. Then here the common term is d. C bar d plus ad. Then come to quad 3. So here you just consider these 2 slot. Here the common term is b bar. B bar is the common term. Then horizontal side common term is d. So b bar d plus. Then come to this pair. So here expression a b bar. A b bar. Horizontal side common term c bar. So it's a Boolean expression for this problem. So without considering the don't care value, this quad is not possible. 1, 5, 13, 9. Then 13, 15, 11, 9. So this quad also not possible. So cell number 1 and 5 it make one pair, 15 and 11 it make another pair. So without considering don't care value, we get 3 pair and 1 quad. So the grouping possibilities is 3 pair and 1 quad. So 3 pair in the sense it's a 3 variable product term. 3 variable product term. 1 quad in the sense 2 variable product term. So without considering the don't care value, 3 pair and 1 quad is the grouping possibility. 3 pair in the sense 3 variable product term, 2 variable product term. So with considering the don't care value in the sense, totally 4 product terms. So here 3 product terms are comes under 2 variable, 1 product term comes under 3 variable. So it's a benefit of considering the don't care value. So then come to the second problem, y of a comma b comma c comma d equal to pi m. Pi m in the sense it's a max term. Designation is 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14 dot d. So d represent don't care, either 0 or 1. So here max term, let me consider don't care values 0. So it represents x. X means it's a don't care value. Now I draw the 4 variable K-map structure. It needed 16 cell. Then assign the input variable. A, B represent vertical, C, D represent horizontal. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. So after drawing the K-map structure, you just place the max term value inside the K-map. So first one, so first cell 0, second cell 0, third cell 0, 8th one 0, 9th one 0, 10th 0, 11 0, then 14 0. So don't care value 7 and 15. So 7 and 15. So after placing the value, just you check the grouping possibility. So here cell number 8, 9, 11, 10. It make one quad. So quad 1. Then cell number 15, 14, 10, 11. So including the don't care value, it make another quad. So it's quad 2. So first quad in horizontal side, cell number 8, 9, 11, 10. Second quad 15, 14, 10, 11. Then third quad cell number 2, 3, 11, 10. So it's quad 3. So next this one 9, 11, 1 and 3. So it's make another quad 4. So all the cells you group. So totally here we get the 4 quads. Now write the Boolean expression for this K-map. So y bar is the output, a comma b comma c comma d equal to. So first consider this quad. So here the expression is a b bar plus, then go to this quad 2. Here the common term is a, vertical side common term is a, horizontal side common term is c. Second quad product term is ac. Then come to third quad. So here the common term is b bar is the common term. Then here the common term is c, b bar c. Then come to this fourth one. So fourth one, here common term is b bar, vertical side common term b bar, then horizontal side this two. So here common term is d is the common term. So a b bar plus AC plus B bar C plus B bar D. So it's a Y bar. I need Y. So this result is a sum of product. I need to change this value into product of sum. So Y bar equal to this value. I need Y just to take a complement this Boolean expression. So A B bar plus AC plus B bar C plus B bar D whole bar. So here I am using the Boolean theorem. If you need to break the bar, you just change the sign. So I need to break the bar here, then change the sign. So A bar plus B dot A plus C, A bar plus C bar dot B plus C bar dot B plus D bar. So after simplification of this expression, you will get the result like this. So y of a comma b comma c comma d equal to a bar plus b dot a bar plus c bar dot b plus c bar dot b plus d bar. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.